So what do you do when you get stuck with a hypodermic needle on a service call? We had the unfortunate circumstance of one of our technicians that happened to him, and we wanted to just let you guys know what to expect and how it all unfolded and what happened subsequently.
The initial service call was a commercial account toilet was clogged. Our technician went out, tried to auger it, was unable to remove the stoppage, and which forced him for the next step was to pull the commode and see if he could see what was causing a problem. Once he did, he instantly seen that there was a pile of toilet paper at the base of the commode inside. He had latex gloves on. He tried to just remove it by hand. And as of doing that, he pulled the clog out, which also had a hypodermic needle hidden in the paper. Unable to see it, he basically got stuck in his finger. He called me up immediately. We took action right away, sent him to an occupational health, and at that moment they started running tests to make sure he did not have anything contracted from that.
When they let me know, I had to call the workman's comp insurance company and fill out a first injury report while the technician was on the way to the clinic. So they cleaned his hand, sanitized the site, and he had to get a tetanus shot. We did learn that he got blood drawn initially, and thank God tests were negative for HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C. The point of this video is to kind of walk you through what happened to us when that happened, because that's a topic that comes up with service plumbers. It's a scary thing. We know that people do that. People throw, if you've ever taken the lid off of a grinder pump, you can see the syringes and needles down there, and you just know that they're out there. But to actually get stuck with one is a whole nother ball of wax, because it's, I know this technician in particular was really, really scared, as you can imagine. But as it unfolded, he got there and had that initial round of testing, and how it unfolds from there is he goes back 6 weeks. He goes back 6 weeks, then 3 months, then 6 months, and then after that, that would be the end of the incident. But you just never think it's going to happen to you, and when it does, and if you take drugs intravenously and you do things like that, I know that's not your intention to hurt somebody, or at least I would hope it would not be. But I just, another point of this video is to show you that somebody has to get those things out. I can only hope that was not the intention of the person that flushed the needle down the toilet. Find something else to do with them. Throw them away in a sharps container or something. Just, it just really has a snowball effect on us as technicians.
It's a plumber's nightmare. It's one of the things that's always talked about. Doesn't happen a whole lot, but it only takes one time, and to just not be aware of what could be in there, and it's just gotta be more considerate of where you're disposing them.
Yeah, and this is just information that we gathered along the way. There is a 0.2% chance of transmission in this particular situation. Those are really low odds, and we're thankful for that. But when you're the one that got poked by the needle, the only thing that makes you feel better is a negative test result. And in this case, it was a negative, and we're thankful for that. But, just for future references, if you're watching this video and you're a plumbing technician, be careful. We never expected for this to happen. We We knew it could because we've seen them, and it's getting more and more commonplace for syringes to be more so in grinder pumps.
Yeah.
We see them a lot in grinder pumps, but this was the first eyewitness account of seeing one stuck in a toilet and then actually having an injury from it. So we just wanted to take a minute and let you know what our experience was. It was a good outcome for us, but we know that this happens more than it should. So thanks for watching, and we hope this helps somebody. Have a great day.